For smart appliances, power and data are usually transmitted separately. It requires multiple wires and interfaces, which increase the cost and leave a mess. Therefore, we put forward energy coding technology. It can integrate data into power, so only a power line is required to carry both power and data. Comparing with other existing technologies, the data is intrinsic in the power. We don't need any extra devices to add data to the line. Besides, this technology can also be applied in wireless occasions. For an example, for LED applications, data can be integrated into LED light, which means communication can be achieved through LED light, while the radio frequency technologies require extra transmitting devices. Most power supplies generate stable DC power by high-frequency switching operation. This operation introduces small switching frequency ripples on both input and output DC power. By applying the latest DSP and electronics technology, we can make use of these small ripples to send out data via input and output power lines. Specifically, if an LED bulb is connected to this power supply, the LED light will also carry data. This novel energy coding technology is demonstrated in an LED lighting system. It is composed of 3 parts, 4 LEDs with power supplies, a controller with a touchscreen, and a handheld receiver. The controller can send commands to dim the LED lights via the power line. LED power supplies can send data to the controller via the power line, so the controller can monitor all the LED operation states. This information can also be received by the handheld receiver by detecting the LED light.